Hi everyone, I have a Swapback reveal for Monkey's Birthday by Busy Mommy Collins, aka Christy. The envelope had these cute little happy birthday spangles fall out of it. And this was on top. And on the back. Hi EJB, or EJB. Hi sweetie, thank you so much for joining my swap. Loved your mix. I hope you enjoyed the mixes and all your goodies. Your YouTube friend, Busy Mommy Collins, Christy. So that's who she is. Go check her out. And then this came like this. Look at that cute little felt monkey. The happy birthday. And this adorable little ribbon. Okay. The Busy Bee says it's true. Little sweetie Angelina is turning 2. Hope your day is filled with fun, because now you're 2 instead of 1. Happy birthday, Monkey. Love Mom, Dad, Sissy, J, and all of the lovely YouTube ladies. Oh, we got, what is that? It's not a sucker. Anyway, we got that. A couple more little spangle thingies. And then this cute little monkey with the cake. And then we got birthday party with Minnie, Jose Richard. And hers is this cute little pink Mickey heads. Look at that. Can you see those? Focus. Come on, look. Right there. They're everywhere. And she has pink hexies, white squares, purple hexies. They look like they're kind of translucent. White bows. And hot pink tinsel. And these cute little Mickey heads. Thank you, Jose. So that's her name, Jose Richards. Richard. I don't know why I always want to plural it, but. And then we have Karina Moore. Have a Happy Birthday Monkey by Karina Moore, and she gave these lovely little red hearts with the AB textured dots on them and the little flower in the middle. And her mix, oh wow, hollow stars, big pastel. Oh. Okay, sorry about that, the door rang. And where were we? Talking about the mix by Karina Moore. I see silver hollow hearts, large holographic hexies in pink, and got a white dot or pink dot? Pink stars, white iridescent squares. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Matte neon pink stars even. Purple hexies. I see a little bit of light purple fine glitter. That's an awesome mix. Thank you, Karina. And then come on. Aw, A Little Piece of Heaven by Crafty Christy. Oh, is this a flocking powder mix? And I see Mylar. And white and purple, blue tinsel, pink iridescent hearts. I think that is flocking powder. It feels cushiony. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and there's silver tinsel in there as well. And for nail art, we have these AB pearls, halfback. Thank you very much. And then Monkey Love by Laura Cozine. And it's this adorable pink iridescent hearts, iridescent hexes, mauve hexes, white hexes, I think that's it. If that's not it, let me know. And look at this little piece of foil ribbon. Oh no, yeah, it's a ribbon. And then we have purple, matte pearls, jelly pearls. I don't know what those are called. They feel like a pearl and not a rhinestone. And then there are larger ones, and then square cushion cuts. So thank you, Laura. And then we have Silverback Gorilla by Sherry Crosby. Oh wow. She has included, pardon me, pretty silver ribbon, these neon pink halfback rhinestones, and then this mix, gorgeous, charcoal holographic, little iridescent glitters, black tinsel, iridescent hearts. Oh, it's gorgeous. Thank you, Sherry. And then the hostess has included this little purple. Oh. Post people were not that nice. I was gonna say there's a bunch of glass because your little container got broke. So we'll be very careful. Let's move this out of the way. And this. So we have these. Oh wow. Can you see that? These blue with textured hearts, and it's got that AB on there. Awesome. And then her mix is the Naked Baby. And this is gorgeous. Iridescent base with these pale pink and white iridescent hexes in there. Love that. That is so pretty. Thank you. Let's see. Oh god, these are micro beads. The Recollections, I'm guessing. In turquoise, passion, and silver. Thank you very much. And then the broken vial had these pink iridescent hexes. Which you can't see. But thank you very much, Busy Mommy Collins, and all of the other ladies. And thanks for watching.